Hi, welcome back everyone. So today we're going to be working on our science. So let's go ahead and take out our science packet. Go ahead and look at Wednesday's calendar, and we are going to be working on States of Matter worksheet. So we are going to be working on first we will be working on this assignment. So let's go ahead and let's do this worksheet. It says, complete each sentence with an appropriate word from the word bank. So states of matter. So first off, states of matter, they consist of liquid, gas. What else do you think it consists of? Solid. So solid, liquid, and gas. So everybody go ahead and take out the worksheet that's in your packet. Let's look at this one. So here we have 10 questions, and it says there are blank states of matter. So it's saying there are blanks, so you need to fill in the blank and look at your word bank. So how many are there? We have liquid, solid, and gas. So how many is that? Let's count. Get ready. Liquid is 1. Gas is 2. Solid is 3. So how many do we have? 3. So you would be putting 3 on number 1. A solid has fixed size and what does it have? Fixed size and so fill in the blank with the correct answer. The mass of liquid blank with different conditions. The mass of liquid. So answer it to the best of your ability. And then number 4, solids have blank volume. Yes, awesome. So now number 5. Blank occupies space. What occupies space? Volume occupies space. Number 6. The atoms move around randomly in particles. Yes, number 6 is particles. Number 7. Blank can flow. So what can flow? What can flow? Yes, great answer. Number 8. What cannot flow? Great job. And number 9. The blank are tightly packed in solids. So what is tightly packed in solids? Yes, and what is number 10? Blank is an example of gas. Steam. Great job. So go ahead and answer this to the best of your ability. Remember, you can refer back to your other worksheets. So you have worksheets that state solid, liquid, gas, but in your packet you should have the definitions of those. If you do not have them and you need help, do not guess. Just ask your teacher for help and they will help you. Once you are done, take a picture and submit it to your teacher. Good luck!